Little Muslims special words glowing star. Assalamu Alaikum, little friends. Today, we are going to learn some special words that make us good Muslims. Bismillah when we start. Before we eat. Before we write. Before we play. We say Bismillah right away. Alhamdulillah when we're done. After eating yummy food. We thank Allah for all that's good. Allahu Akbar when we go up. Climbing stairs. Or jumping high. We say Allahu Akbar. Give it a try. SubhanAllah when we come down. Coming down from stairs. Coming down from slide. Say SubhanAllah with joy inside. Iramukala when someone sneezes. When our friend says achoo, so loud. We say Iramukala and make them proud. Astaghfirullah when we make a mistake. If we do something wrong today, we say Astaghfirullah and walk the right way. JazakAllah Khair to say thank you. When someone helps in a special way, we say JazakAllah Khair and brighten their day. Inshallah when we make a plan. If we want to do something soon, we say Inshallah under the moon. Mashallah when we see something nice. Or a pretty view. Say Mashallah, it's beautiful too.
La ba'sa tahurun. Inshallah. When we visit the sick.
If a friend is feeling blue, we say this dua to help them too.
La ba'sa tahurun. Inshallah. When we meet someone, we say Assalamu Alaikum to spread peace and kindness. Fi Amanillah when we say goodbye.
When it's time to part our way, say Fi Amanillah and have a blessed day. Great job, little Muslims. Party popper. Now, let's use these words every day, and follow Allah in every way.
Done. Bismillah when we start. With a happy, grateful heart.
Alhamdulillah, then he's done for the food and all the fun. From Allahu Akbar we go, step by step, nice and slow. SubhanAllah when we come down, smiling big, no need to frown. Yarhamukallah when friends sneeze, we say it kindly just like a breeze. Astaghfirullah when we're wrong, asking Allah to keep us strong. JazakAllah Khair we say when someone helps us on our way. Inshallah when we plan, we trust in Allah's perfect hand. Mashallah when we see something pretty as can be. To Assalamu Alaikum we greet, making friends is oh so sweet. Labasa tahuran inshallah when we visit the sick with the dua. Fi Amanillah when we part, with love and dua from the heart. Let's say these words every day and follow Allah in every way.